everyone, my name is Selena and I'm from the Healthcare Landscape Group. In this week's instruction, our members need to both make a video and write an essay about organizing, experiencing, and arranging. So basically, they need to talk about what practical activities do they think are needed to actually be a healthcare worker in the future and to prepare themselves. So let's get started. Firstly, I need to have a schedule and also stay on track. I need to have a schedule, list out things, what time am I going to work, get dinner, have lunch, and also go out with my friends. All of those things, put it in a schedule so I won't have any problems. Maybe in the future about my time and also my work won't be mixed up. And secondly, I need to be organized. Stay organized, arrange things in any order like I want. Like I need to write down my notes and put them on a fridge so I can remember, maybe in my work note in the future, about a special patient with special needs or maybe a rare condition that I need to remember the cure and also their information. Thirdly, I need to join some programs and clubs about healthcare landscape or in the healthcare medicine field that is relating to that. I can experience all of the things that maybe a pediatrician or children's doctors, a nurse, a surgeon, a psychologist, a doctor, any kind of job that is in the healthcare and medicine sector. I can experience what it's like to be them and also prepare myself while I'm still at a young age and have many years ahead of me so I can prepare. It's an amazing way for me to get started on knowing and experiencing what it is like to work in that field, in that environment. And if I don't know yet what I'm going to be in the future, maybe I can join this program or club so I can decide, make the best decision on what am I going to be in the future, and maybe that decision will be rewarding as well because that's the thing, that's the job that I decided and want to study. And I can choose and experience different kind of paths, diverse paths, so I can choose, make a better decision. So, fourthly, my fourth idea is I need to improve my communication skills. For example, my vocabulary. I need to improve that because communication skills is an extremely crucial skill in the healthcare and medicine sector. So, of course, I will need to improve that. Nurses, doctors, surgeons, psychologists, any kind of job in the healthcare medicine field needs and requires communication skills. Communication skills is vital because any kind of job in the healthcare field and also medicine field needs that kind of skill to be able to inform and also persuade their patients and also their patients' families to do that thing that is good for them. Maybe a cure, they need to take that surgery to be able to survive and also take that medicine to get rid of their illness. I can join different clubs, for example, this club and other clubs or programs that can help me to improve my communication skills. And I need to practice it every single day. Last but not least, I will need to ask questions about what's it like to be in a healthcare environment, a hospital, and working in a hospital. So I will need to ask questions when I'm visiting a doctor, maybe about his or her life. How has it changed since they joined this field and also work as a doctor? How has their life changed? What's their process? What is their learning process? What challenges do they face along the way? And also what difficulties do they face and need to overcome while they're working and also learning? So maybe I can talk to my family members. Maybe if I don't have any family members that are in the healthcare and medicine field, then I can talk to my close relatives on either my dad's or my mom's side. Interview them about all the questions that I'm wondering about that I can't explain like Google. On Google, I don't have that explanation that I want to be that I want to have an answer. So I can ask my family members or maybe close relatives to answer my questions about that particular field. So these are all of my ideas on what activities are needed to have and do to prepare myself to be a healthcare worker in the future. So if you have any other questions, ideas, opinions about my work, my video, then I would be glad to hear it. So thank you again for listening to my video and hope you have a nice week. Goodbye.